Welcome to this tutorial on how to map data from one source into another with Pluxbox. If you're enjoying the tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss a new video. First, go to the Marketplace and install News API plugin. With this plugin, you will be able to locate articles and breaking news headlines from news sources and blogs across the web. Then, go to Workdata to create a new collection to map this data into it. I'll name it News Articles. For the data structure, I will choose some titles that comes to my mind. Next, save your collection and go to Data Explorer. If you click on News Article, you'll see that there is no data in this collection yet. Go to Workflow and click on New Workflow. You can name it Map Object and choose Mutation for the type. Here we create our process. First, add a query block, choose Integrations, News API, and then Top Headlines. For the input, you need to choose a category. For example, I choose Technology to have Technology News. For the next step, add a Get Data block and connect it to other blocks. For the path, choose Articles. Additionally, add a loop list block and connect the value attribute of the Get Data block to the list attribute. You'll need to double-click on the loop list block to go inside. Here, add the map object block and connect the value attribute of the input to it. Next, add a mutation block, select Collections, choose News Articles and then choose Create. Connect the result attribute of the map object to both attributes of the Collections block. For the last step, we need to double-click on the map object to go inside it. For the input, I will add the data structure that is suggested to me. This is based on the Integration News API. To map data into our own dataset, for the output, we need to define the data structure of news articles collection that we created in the beginning of the video. Now to map data into our collection, you need to connect these attributes to each other. And as you can see, the data structure doesn't have to be the same. Map object enables us to easily map data from a source, for example news headings, into our own collection with structure that we define. Don't forget to save your logic. Also, I'll turn on the debugging option. Now head over to Workdata and Playground. Here we need to trigger our flow, so follow my steps. For the process, select Map Object Files, which is the name of our workflow. Then, click on the Display button. Now that the flow is triggered, let's go to the Data Explorer to see the results. If you click on News Article Dataset, you'll see all the information has been mapped from the integration to our collection based on our data structure. Thanks for watching this tutorial.